Need to know how to download your Twitch streams, your Twitch VODs, your Twitch clips, and your Twitch highlights? In this video right here, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's super easy. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you for my quick Twitch tip videos. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit the big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. If you're a Twitch live streamer out there, knowing how to download your streams, your VODs, highlights, and clips is going to be super important. Twitch only holds onto your content for a certain amount of time. If you're a Twitch streamer, Turbo member, or Amazon Prime member, they only hold onto it for a certain amount of days. So if you want to save something from an awesome stream that you had, or clips or highlights that you want to stash and archive for later, you need to know how to download your content. And it's really easy. All you need to do is log into your Twitch account, go to the top right corner and tick down the menu. From here, go to Video Producer, and right there in front of you will be displayed all of your videos that you have. Now use the filter option to see if you want to use premieres or past broadcasts or certain things that are going to expire or highlights or clips, and refine it down to what you want. If you want to download a whole entire stream that you have, go to your past broadcasts. Click on the three dots on the right hand side, and here you'll be presented with a handful of options. Right there in the middle is download. Now, if your stream is quite long, big, and of substantial quality like 60 FPS or 1080p, this will take a long time, so just be aware of that. If you only want to take a certain segment of the stream, what I certainly recommend is go into the video producer and go to the editor and refine down to a highlight or a clip of what you want, and then save that to your video producer, and then you can export that highlight or that clip out, which will take a lot less time. If you like this type of content and you want to see more tips from me, leave me a comment below and don't forget to like and share. And if you'd like to help support this video and this type of content, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you like what you see here, you'll probably like what you see on over at twitch.tv/wildforgames, where you can hit subscribe over there or hit the join button down below for me to continue to bring you high quality content. I will see you all in the next quick Twitch tip video coming up real soon. Take care, all. Peace.